Oh, it's recording. Gonna show you how my Saturday happening. Today we're gonna go to Daikoku parking with some guests and bought 2 cars working today. Let's see how it's gonna be. You're driving the highway. Yeah. ありがとうございました。はい。SRT?
SRT.
It's already supercharged.
The engine swapped it.
Engine swapped in?
Yeah.
Dodge, maybe?
Dodge, yeah, they do
Right.
Dodge Charger.
Charger.
And they have Dodge
Here you go. Oh shit.
It's like 200.
Ooh.
Exaggerating a little bit.
Okay.
My grandma's got a very similar car to this.
Wow, same model?
No. My legs.
I'm sorry about that. Okay.
It's okay.
You're good. If you want to keep your baggages in the car, that's okay.
Oh.
No problem. We're gonna stay here for until 7:15.
Okay.
Okay. If you want to buy anything, there's a convenience store over there, washroom, smoking areas, and everything.
Awesome.
Okay. Enjoy your time.
Thank you.
And let me know if there's anything, because we're gonna be around here. Okay. Here's how it's going on Daikoku parking on a day like it's crazy, more crazy. Ooh. And some load up. Oh, I'm coming here for like 3 times a week maybe, so I'm seeing this every day, so it's not a new thing for me, but I'm showing this for you guys. Woo. This one is crazy. 186. Woo. SCI. Civic. What's up, boy? And this MK5 Super. 1 JZ. One more 86. Crew. What is this? 300? Oh shit. 186. This parking gonna be full in more like. There's 3 or 4 of them. First time I'm seeing this much NSX like parking next to it. First time I'm seeing these people. So I'm coming here for like three, like let's say 3-4 days a week. But first time I'm seeing this much NSX parking next to each other. That's so crazy, huh?
We're taking videos of everything we can find of them, basically.
The cinematic one.
Cool thing.
Everything.
Every
Trains, people,
show me
cars.
Instagram.
MXN.
Pickup trucks, right?
Not everyone.
Not everyone. Oh,
Most people, yeah.
most people, huh?
Really like that car. He's the lightning McQueen.
Yeah, back with someone living his childhood dreams.
Yeah. I really like sort of like really flat box. I know, I said if there's a place close to the Airbnb, it's probably it's most likely closed. That's what's the name? I think it's a pig selling looking car.
My old dream car was a Nissan 270Z.
370C.
Yeah.
I like that too. But that's only 2-seater car.
Yeah.
But more power. 3.5 liter. That's so good.
Would feel good to drive.
Oh yeah, you know my grandma used to have 3 Supras?
3 Subarus?
Why? She had 3 Supras and my mum used to have one. And then my mum gave it to my dad and my dad crashed it. No. And then my grandma just bought another one because they were like that easy to get. And then she sold all of them for this Chrysler Crossfire. But then
Other than everything like souvenirs, t-shirts, model cars, everything related to cars.
Okay.
Make sure to have a look on both floors, okay?
Okay.
You have time until 8:35, I would say, 35 minutes.
35 minutes?
Okay?
Okay, I'll see.
Did you? Wait. So do you know 3 languages?
3 languages, yeah. My mother Japanese.
That's so cool.
it was hard.
Yeah.
The hardest one was Japanese, I would say. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm guessing like in Sri Lanka, like
In English, from school, everywhere.
so you learned it in school.
Yeah.
That's cool.
And Japanese after I came here.
Oh, okay. That's cool.